Hey everybody, this is the intro, and in this video I wanted to go over background color and changing your background. So for HTML, it's simple. You just want to go ahead and type in the left hand side and type in body BG color is equal to a set of parentheses, and then close that command. And inside the set of parentheses, you're just going to want to enter the HTML color that you want. And of course, these are entered in hexadecimal, but for now I'm just going to type in something regular. Of course, when you use a web host and you upload your website online, you always want to use the correct format of colors. So just remember that. But for now, I'm just gonna show you what this'll do to your web page. So we're gonna go ahead and click Control S, save it, go to our web page, and there we go. Refresh it, and we get a clear red background. Now, of course, I could just change this value to yellow, save it again, go back, and if you know the CSS colors, you could just type in a CSS color, or an HTML color, and you would get that color too. So any value is acceptable, but using these type of colors, the hexadecimal colors, is really important when your web page is online. So that's all I wanted to show. Oh, actually, one more thing we're going to go over is how to add color to elements. So sounds pretty simple. It is pretty simple. So we're just going to have a divider, and it's going to be called divider 1, or just div1, and close out the divider. And if you don't know what a divider is, it's just a section that we use in HTML to actually section off a piece of code. So I can have anything within this content and use this ID tag in CSS to style the content. So what we're going to put inside of here is just another quick list, actually. So we can just say, create a few things on here. Actually, get it done a little faster. Let's type in example. There we go. And so inside this inside this divider, we have all these listed items, and when we're gonna go over to we'll save this, Control S, go to our style sheet, type in div1 to reference the ID that we created, and make a body for it. Save it, and actually before we do that, we're gonna make sure that we have the capitalization correct for the ID tag, so no uppercase in that. And we're just going to give it a few properties. I know I was just going to show you the background, but I'm just going to give it a border of 1 pixel solid. Well, actually, yeah, just solid black. And to change the background color, what we're just going to do is change the background color by typing in background, the minus sign, color, and then we can use the same color that we have right now, which is just red. And to give emphasis to that, we're going to actually just we'll save this, go back to our index, and change the body background color so that it stands out. So set the body background color to, so since we have our border as black and our background color of the element as red, I'm going to make sure the color of the text is white so that it'll show up perfectly on the screen. Close that out, save it, and we'll go back to our background color for the actual web page, and we'll just leave that. We could just leave it as default, but just to show you, we'll set it as FFF, and it's 6 F's that denotes white, 6 zeros that denote black. FF0000 is red, and so on and so on. I'll leave a reference somewhere where you can go and check the colors, but we'll go ahead and save both of these and run it in our web page. So there you go. We have our sorry, we have the divider, which gives us this black background or black border around that divider, which we used in CSS, as you can see. So for div 1, we have a border of 1 pixel solid black. So we got the 1 pixel solid black, and the background color of that element is red, and then the color of the text is white so that it's visible. And when we go back to our index.html, we can see that the listed items show up perfectly and all in a line with that divider. So that's basically how you add background color, and a few more things about how styling backgrounds and choosing your colors works in HTML and CSS. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please check out the rest of my videos, and I'll see you next time.